Hi, I'm Jenny Fischer, and I am an instructor here at the Digital Workshop Center. I just wanted to introduce myself before we dig in and start talking about all things digital marketing, and just kind of give a little bit of background about myself. I have a wide variety of experiences in my background, both in graphic design and journalism/communications. I've also had a lot of experience with digital marketing. The short courses that I teach for the Digital Workshop Center are the digital marketing strategies and the advanced digital marketing courses. And I look forward to meeting you all and can't wait to dig in and start talking about the digital marketing world and things as they are evolving and changing, and kind of how to work your marketing strategies into this brand new realm that's changing constantly and faster all the time. So hope to meet you soon.